Wave goodbye to the days of unexpected maintenance nightmares. With AI's revolutionary power, we're stepping into a future where breakdowns are predicted and prevented with incredible accuracy. Imagine AI as the ultimate tool in our maintenance toolkit, constantly analyzing data from machines, vehicles, and appliances. It learns from patterns, predicting failures before they even whisper a threat. This isn't just about avoiding inconvenience, it's about revolutionizing efficiency. Businesses save on costly repairs, reduce downtime, and streamline operations, while everyday life becomes just that bit smoother. From industrial giants to your home gadgets, AI is there, ensuring that the wheels keep turning, lights stay on, and water keeps flowing. Embrace the AI maintenance revolution, where the only surprise is how smoothly everything runs.